Hey everyone, and congratulations on making it to the end of this coupon referral program for WooCommerce course. You've officially leveled up your marketing game. Remember back in lesson 1? We talked about turning your loyal customers into a super-powered referral force. Now, you're equipped to make that happen. From setting up those enticing sign-up coupons for new users to rewarding your awesome referrers with purchase discounts, you now know how to strategically configure everything. You've even learned how to build in fraud prevention. We don't want any sneaky referral ninjas trying to game the system. Plus, you're a master of reporting. Use those insights to fine-tune your program, figure out what's working and what could use a little pizzazz. Seriously though, a well-run referral program can be a game changer for your WooCommerce store. So go out there, experiment, iterate, and watch those sales soar. Don't be afraid to get creative and personalize your program to fit your brand. Thanks for joining me on this coupon referral adventure. Now go forth and refer. And if you need a refresher, feel free to re-watch these videos anytime. Now, if you'll excuse me, I'm off to refer a friend too. Well, you'll have to wait and see what it is. Until next time,